Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Ooh. Today we're here with Kartel, a DJ Palmer, the teacher, real boss, with a song called Corrupt. It's a music video. This work piece dropped about a week ago or so. The song, the audio track, I never react to it. Even though people tell me to react to it, I never react to it. Because look, I had a feeling that a song was coming, a video was coming. The video is here. So we're going to jump to the one here with 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I know say 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓 the lyrics machine. So let's go.
Yeah, man, hear that. Hunter now still watch big up dab them. The whole Savla, man, hear that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, bless them up, man,
West.
hear that. One.
We never ban fi function under corruption. Clean out is a better option. Some boy fi go live in a rubbish pan or a fish tank.
We never ban the function under corruption. Remember, say when you're born as a child, when a child born as the most innocent thing that. But guess what? The fucked up world we live in, the corrupt world we live in, that make you get corrupt. Your environment, mentality, human, a damn thing that make people get corrupt.
That is a better option. Some boy fi go live in a rubbish pan or a fish tank. Hey boy, you a go burn up, you too corrupt. Can't trust you with me yet back, me meds fuck up. Mud, me glock volume, buck the sound turn up. So revenge porridge, hot your tongue burn up.
Bumbleclot, revenge porridge, hot your tongue burn up. First him say, the Glock turn up. Yes, the sound turn up. So, what go on in the video now? Them two thieving boy ride up. One a wear helmet, one mask up, jump off a bike, run go in a one man business place and take all them drill them. You see your corruption still?
Hey boy, you a go burn up, you too corrupt. Can't trust you with me yet back, me meds fuck up. Mud, me glock volume, buck the sound turn up. So revenge porridge, hot your tongue burn up.
I figure for them boy, yeah. And these are the things that cause fuckery in the human race. Them thing, yeah. You gonna rap the man and then where you gonna do now? Let me see where you go now.
Up mud, me glock volume, buck the sound turn up. So revenge porridge, hot your tongue burn up. When me dip in me waist and no sun a go come up. Them bag me tell you no, good for your stomach.
When me dip in my waist and the sun a go come up. This not rise like sun at 6 o'clock in the morning. No. Remember say the metal is not good for your stomach. Poison you? Yes.
Let's fuck up mud, me glock volume, buck the sound turn up. So revenge porridge, hot your tongue burn up. When me dip in me waist and no sun a go come up. Them bag me tell you no, good for your stomach. When the attack say do the black, say why you so much. As a yell and me you feel left hurt, me there too much.
When the autopsy do pa your little thinking body, pa your little floxy body, I mean dash down over there so. Doctor say, yo, why so much? Why them give him so much? Them have to give him so much, cause one done mash him up already, so why him get so much? You forget it.
Tongue burn up when me dip in me waist and no sun a go come up. Them bag me tell you no, good for your stomach.
So them go rob the man. I am business place. Him a also for make two ends meet. Them go rob him. And then forward back pan corner now a kiki and a laugh and a keynote and thinking yellow teeth. That them go do, you know, rob the man. For what?
Turn up when me dip in me waist and no sun a go come up. Them bag me tell you no, good for your stomach. When the attack say do the black, say why you so much. As a yell and me you feel left hurt, me there too much, you know. Easy fi kill you can't catch me like your bird. Fully done.
Me not easy fi kill you can't catch me like your breath. Me not easy fi kill, brother. You can't catch me a straight. You can't catch me off guard. My 3 points not free, so you cannot get it. You have to go work hard for it. And you might end up losing yours too. You can't catch me like my breath. No, sir.
Yell and me you feel left hurt, me there too much, you know. Easy fi kill you can't catch me like your bird. Fully done, so you no learn when a 9 semester left. And you know.
Hold on, let me just see how I go. Sorry guys, sorry. This is what Kartel video does to me. This is what Kartel song do to me.
We never ban FIFA.
Me I try concentrate on the video and me I try concentrate on the lyrics at the same time. This is what it does to me. Let's go again.
Function under corruption. Clean out is a better option. Some boy fi go live in a rubbish pan or a fish tank. Hey boy, you a go burn up, you too corrupt. Can't trust you with me yet back, me meds fuck up. Mud, me glock volume, buck the sound turn up. So revenge porridge, hot your tongue burn up. When me dip in me waist and no sun a go come up. Them bag me tell you no, good for your stomach. When the attack.
Let's see what going on, sir. That same pussy,
I say do the black, say why you.
Him, that boy, yeah. You see what that boy do? And that boy did by the other boy that got in the man business place first, you know. Then him friend them come rob the man, you know. So him act like a customer and him friend them come rob the man. Right off. Now, him and him friend them link up and now him a try and watch. Watch. Just watch.
Son of a come up, them back me tell you no. Good for your stomach when the attack say do the black tap. Say why you so much azap. Pain and me you feel left hurt. Me they you too much, you know. Easy fi kill you can't catch me like your bird. Fully done, so you no learn all when a 9 semester left.
Fully done, so you no learn all when a 9 semester left. You still no learn nothing. You no learn, brother.
Too much, you know. Easy fi kill you can't catch me like your bird. Fully done, so you no learn all when a 9 semester left. And you no ring, so you can't for pass a lie detector test.
You're not real, so you can't even pass a lie detector test. You're fake like Go-Go Eyelash. You're fake.
Done, so you no learn all when a 9 semester left. And you no ring, so you can't for pass a lie detector test.
Man, just easy, no, man. I'm deal with it, man. I don't know the board of my corruption.
That is Bumble Wolf, you know we are the best. I never call it. If you bad mind, you shaky, you know.
Bumble Wolf, you know, so we are the best. I never call it. Never DJ Khaled. Reference to DJ Khaled there. DJ Khaled. God it. Big up DJ Khaled. Let's go again.
That is Bumble Wolf, you know we are the best. I never call it. If you bad mind, you shaky, you know rock solid. Fool, I was sweet, you suck sugar added.
If you're bad mind, you're shaky, brother. You're not rock solid. I was sweet you saw. No sugar added. Like, what I'm to you? Eh?
Khalid, if you bad mind, you shaky, you no rock solid. Fool, I was sweet, you suck sugar added. To see and receive Ruga trip on your forehead. Make your number tick off, you're gone, invalid.
Gaza to see and rest lug up on him forehead. To see and big up yourself.
Added to see and receive Ruga trip on your forehead. Make your number tick off, you're gone, invalid.
Corrupt.
Yo, get it, breathe.
Wagwan.
So the pussy we have around them for dead in the dog. The boy you can't be a news in a yard.
And the pussy dust left from right, I said, dog. I saw the pussy I deal with it. And you said that boy there, corruption, dog, real corruption.
I get him out in the dog. The pussy left for dead in the yard.
Yo, come give me a link now to dog. No, dog.
Corrupt.
Man, I'm a plan for the corrupt boy. Yeah, Lord.
Corrupt. It too corrupt. You get cut off. It too corrupt. You get cut off.
You alone can't have things or strips or.
Look at the man them, look at the man them grab him unexpectedly.
You get cut off. It too corrupt. You get cut off.
You alone can't have things or strips or jeans or crips or girl or sex or fly.
Woo! So, me I get distracted by the video, so let's get back to the lyrics now.
It too corrupt. You get cut off.
You alone can't have things or strips or jeans or crips or girl or sex or.
Are you alone for have things? Are you alone for have things? Nobody else not for have nothing. You fi drop boof and me drop beam? In a work, some brother. I alone fi have all of the girl them and have all of sex them. So what me fi do? Eh? You fi have jeans and crepes and shreps and beer things and money in a pocket. Eh? Your pocket fi buff. My pocket fi flat. You know go some brother.
It too corrupt. You get cut off.
You alone can't have things or strips or jeans or crips or girl or sex or floss or flex, iPhone for text or cash or text or loans or debt. But you want vex when a next youth step up. In a good sun that you get wet up.
So when you have everything, you're alright with everybody. But when people start step up and you feel in a year like a stinking head to them people that are going to pass you and have more than you start get corrupt. Yeah, go dead. You're dead.
But you want vex when a next youth step up. In a good sun that you get wet up.
You see them thinking politician, yeah? You saw them on the expose yourself? That video, I give you so much messages, brother. Like, there's so much messages. Guess who go check the man I want to go? Politician. Politician, boy. Gun pan scene. I tell the man to make sure you vote. Yeah, all right.
Next youth step up. In a good sun that you get wet up. How you go? Nobody know to rate you, you know. Yeah, da. Nothing good, da. You sell out when man a sell off. Act like
You have to go, dog. Go, man. You have to go, man. You sell out when man a sell off. You have to go, man. Yeah, man.
yeah, da. Nothing good, da. You sell out when man a sell off. Act like you're real, but you know my brother. Pick up the real youth, them where they amount teller. They say more life live till you all. Make the money cash, Bitcoin or gold. Hard clean, we no unkind, so we roll.
Make the money cash, Bitcoin or gold. That's the money there now. Bitcoin. Gold too. Gold.
Make the money cash, Bitcoin or gold. Hard clean, we no unkind, so we roll. God bless, so no man test, you fi know.
Corrupt, 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 corrupt. It too corrupt. You get cut off. It too corrupt. You get cut off.
That thief in officer, man. That thinking. Another message again. The boss are showing, say, don't even trust them police here. Cause them a work for the system. They're a part of the system. First, let me show you the man we had go out and attack people things. Then let me show you the politician. Then let me show you the police, them, you know. Yo, the police are wicked with you, know. The police plant the drugs in the back of the car, you know. The police plant the drugs in the back of the car. Take it out, show him, take him money, and him are going to take up all the drugs. Bet you. So, that video here, I show you a lot of things we are going in a society nowadays. Enough fuck we are going. Enough. It's not 1 or 2 or 3. Enough fuck we are going. You see me? So Kartel I show you what I go on in a one video. Not just a song. You see me? Kartel is just Kartel, brother. There's nothing me can say but me not say already. Kartel is just Kartel, dog. Like, he is definitely the teacher. Definitely the teacher. You see me? Yeah, definitely the teacher. Big up the production team. Big up the video editor, the videographer. Big up everybody who take part in another video. This is a message. This is a valid message. You have to just read between the line. You see me? You have to just read between the line and see what I tell you, say, dog. You see me? But yeah. So I'm going to leave that one. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here to the channel if you're new. Don't just be a viewer. And I will see you in the next one. Yes, sir.